Welcome to my YouTube channel, Freelancing Guide. It is the most important channel for all. Now, I will discuss about the YouTube marketing or YouTube channel create and setup, and what is the uh, profitable and how many time of income in YouTube channel. Try to see step by step. Don't skip. Click on Google Chrome. What is the value of the YouTube channel or YouTube marketing? Now, step by step, we will see. At first, write down the marketplace, famous wall marketplace, Fiverr. Click on open. YouTube channel create. Okay, which are all gig of seller, all are gig of seller. Now open the gig. It is a YouTube channel, Rabia Ashram, YouTube channel keyword, logo, art, banner, intro, outro, which are all branding, layout, copyright, etc. Okay, now see what is the 2144 her total complete work, and she are pricing premier 3492, standard 3055. Okay, she has 9 order key, already order 9 order. Now calculate how many did she income totally by the YouTube marketing, YouTube create and setup. Calculate 2144. What is the demand? What is the value of YouTube? 2000, 2144, 2144. Okay, into personnel 3492, 3492. Okay, now what is the 74 lakh 86,848? By this work, YouTube channel create setup, she already income 74 lakh 86,848 by this work. So YouTube channel create and set up, we know which is easy, but we cannot know how to market the YouTube channel. Uh, in this channel, freelancing guide, I will discuss, I will see step by step uh, properly. So any person create or take knowledge, YouTube create and set up, even provide to the client. Okay, another like this, same to same. See another key. So okay, uh, we see what is the value of YouTube create and set up, YouTube marketing. It is part one. Today we see the value of YouTube channel create and set up in marketplace. In part one, next part two, we will discuss or we will see the work process. How will you set up? How will you create step by step? Today we discuss or we see the value of YouTube channel create and set up in marketplace. Next step, one by one, part one, part two, part three, try to see. It is a part one video. Next class we'll discuss, we'll see the work process. Okay, thank you all.